Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will introduce you to the X2F2 portable laser engraver. You may remember the X2F1 which they launched 3 years ago. X2F2 has been upgraded in many ways while maintaining the same dimensions as the X2F1 product. For example, the X2F2 features a more powerful dual laser system, a 15 watts diode laser and a 5 watts IR laser, making it more powerful and efficient. In addition, a true 6000 mm per second engraving speed makes the X2F2 the fastest portable laser engraver. During the testing, I was impressed by its brilliant automated workflow. The X2F2 is a portable laser engraver that delivers greater power, faster engraving speeds, and a smarter workflow. It's a truly business-ready portable laser engraver, not just a hobbyist demo unit. With its compact size, it is ideal for running on-site rapid customization service outdoors, and fit easily in a studio thanks to its minimum footprint. Next, I will introduce you to the unparalleled smart workflow of the X2F2. This is why it's not just a hobby level machine, and its super easy to use features make it ideal for quick customization or small batch production in small business. The smart workflow of the X2F2 relies heavily on the powerful and easy to use X2 Studio software. With its excellent algorithm and user-friendly interface, honestly, pre-processing for laser engraving with the X2F2 is significantly more efficient. Take this example of laser engraving on lock. No need to worry in X2 Studio if I want to personalize an object but lack an attractive design. In that case, I can click the template icon on the left to instantly view hundreds of excellent designs from the X2 community shared by the other creators. So I can browse or search for designs I like, then directly import them into the X2 Studio workspace. Click the camera icon so that I can draw the image directly to the center of the rock with the help of the 50MP HD camera. Then click the autofocus icon to finish the laser focus setting automatically. The engraving parameters are also super easy to set up. I no longer need to text the optimal laser engraving parameters for each material before the laser engraving. All I have to do is select the correct material name in the material field. As you can see, once I select the material of lock, X2 Studio automatically sets the optimal laser engraving parameters for me. The finished engraving has excellent fine details. I was really impressed by the high definition engraving quality of the X2F2. 50MP camera engraving positioning is what you see, is what you get. The smart workflow saves me a lot of time in the pre-processing text, and its automatic parameter settings really allows me to get the optimal engraving results. Compared to other low-power portable laser engravers, the X2F2's 15 watts diode laser and 5 watts IR laser can engrave or cut various materials more efficiently. For example, its 115mm by 115mm working area can cut or engrave 4 bookmarks at once, with the total processing time of approximately 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Producing this batch of 12 private bookmarks took about 15 minutes total. This rapid production efficiency truly enabled the launch of small business for on-site customization. However, if you do need to handle small batch production, pairing it with a slight attention for large area batch processing would be better. Later in the video, I will introduce how the slight attention enhances batch processing. The X2F2 15 watts features a diode laser spot size of 0.08mm by 0.06mm, but the 5 watts IR laser offers an even finer spot size of 0.03mm by 0.03mm. This precision technology enables the X2F2 to deliver high-definition engraving. Even in image engraving mode, the finished engravings remains crystal clear. Next, I will demonstrate the slight difference in image engraving between the 15 watts diode laser and the 5 watts IR laser. Black acrylic is a material that both IR laser and diode lasers can engrave. Therefore, I conduct high-definition image engraving text on it using both a diode laser and an IR laser. As you can see, the image on the left engraved with the IR laser is more perfect, high definition, and rich in fine details. The image on the right, engraved with the diode laser, appears slightly overburned, possibly due to improper parameter settings. Judging by the spot size of the two lasers, the IR laser have a finer spot size and so theoretically achieve more precise engraving than the diode laser. Anyway, the X2F2 portable laser engraver features dual laser sources, effectively compensating for the respective shortcomings of each laser type. If you are looking to engrave custom designs on leaf, the X2F2 portable laser engraver is also truly the perfect choice. As mentioned before, the X2F2 offers an exceptionally convenient workflow. Simply select the leaf material in X2 Studio, and the optimal engraving parameters are automatically set instantly. As so, since IR laser cannot engrave leaves, X2 Studio automatically selected the diode laser. The engraving effect on the leaf is very amazing. In previous laser engraver text, I repeatedly attempt to engrave leaves, but the outcomes were never satisfactory. This time, using the X2F2 to engrave leaf finally achieved perfect success. When laser engraving leaf, other laser engravers are extremely prone to overburn, leading to failed engravings. But the X2F2 have achieved the impossible. X2F2 can precisely burn away the leaf tissue and perfectly preserve the leaf veins. So far, I'm truly delighted with the X2F2 portable laser engraver. If you lack design skills, AI creation can help you. As part of the smart workflow, simply click the AI Make features on the left side of the X2 Studio. AI creation allows you to input prompts for text-to-image or image-to-image generation with dozens of styles to choose from. It covers every engraving device you can imagine. In this example, I selected the fine line art style and entered a probe to generate an AI create image. Once satisfied with the AI generate artwork, simply click Import to Canvas to bring the image into X2 Studio's canvas for laser engraving. The entire process is incredibly convenient. Another awesome feature of the X2F2 is its curved surface engraving. Thanks to its 50 megapixel camera, X2F2 is able to collect curved surface data more accurately and produce more precise 3D models of curved surface. The curved surface engraving process goes like this. After marking the engraving area on the curved surface, the next step is collecting surface data. The X2F2's focused light spots then scan the engraving zone while the camera captures images. And X2 Studio generates an accurate 3D model of the curved surface. As you can see, the 3D model of engraving area is generated with a remarkable precision. It's worth noting that the accuracy of the 3D model depends on the number of detection points you set for engraving area. In this example, I set a 10x5 detection matrix. Once an accurate 3D surface model is generated, it effectively instructs the X2F2 to perform dynamic focusing during engraving. This means the X2F2 automatically adjusts the laser's focal length based on the surface height, ensuring every part of the surface receives effective laser engraving. As you can see, the text is perfectly engraved onto the curved surface, which is impossible with other ordinary laser engravings. The slide extension expands the X2F2 standard laser engraving area to 115mm by 400mm. Due to its 50 megapixel camera, the X2F2 maintains precise engraving positioning through camera vision, even when using the slide extension. The slide extension can also switch to small batch processing mode, which is highly beneficial for small business. After switching to small batch mode in X2 Studio, the X2F2 automatically identifies objects with identical shapes, fills patterns onto objects, and then executes engraving or cutting text automatically. Throughout the entire batch processing, you won't need to do engraving positioning repeatedly. The only action required is to continuously place identical objects onto the slide extension. Once the X2F2 camera detects no objects on the slide extension, it will probe in X2 Studio whether to continue batch processing or end the text. This streamlined batch processing workflow is truly a game changer for small business production. As a conclusion, the X2F2 portable laser engraver is not just a niche as a hobbyist laser engraving tool. If you are planning to launch a small business, the X2F2 is worth considering. On the one hand, it shows an excellent balance between price and laser power. Its 15W style laser and 5W IR laser ensure its cutting and engraving capabilities are far from weak. At the same time, it offers a more affordable price compared to higher power dual laser engravers. On the other hand, the X2F2's unmatched smart workflow is crucial for small business production. It significantly reduce pre-processing, and boost your productivity. Furthermore, its 6000mm per second engraving speed is currently the fastest among portable laser engravers. Combined with its portability, you can easily take it on the go to style on-site personalized speed needs. Okay, that's it for the review on the X2F2. Do you like this machine? Tell me in the comment section why you like it or why you don't like it. See you next time.